How to link account in Among Us. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to link your account in Among Us. It's a simple process, so follow my steps carefully. Firstly, it's important to note that whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, the procedure is the same. In my case, I'm using an Android device. You can start by opening the Play Store, proceed by clicking on the search bar at the top and look for Among Us. Click on the install button, and once a game is installed, you will see the play button. And in the game's home screen, you can explore various options such as play, shop, news, friends, and settings. However, if you specifically want to link your account in Among Us, click on the My Account. A tab will appear on the right side of your screen showing account and stats. Click on Account to view information about your account, and you can manage your account by clicking on Manage Account option, which will prompt a message on your screen instructing you to visit the official website. Click on the provided link, and a tab will appear where you can link your account using platforms like Steam, Apple Store, Xbox, and more. Choose the platform you prefer and follow the linking process. Once you complete this step, your account will be successfully linked. I hope this guide on how to link your account in Among Us has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.